I'll just do a quick video review of this coffee machine. I'm pretty happy with it. It's quite compact, very stylish. You know, it might have been $10, $20 more than the equivalent cheapest one, but it's nice. Couple of things. There's inside it's got this thing that you use to fill up for the water, and it stays super dry. I take it out each time, but you really don't have to. It ends up drying. It fits in nicely. Everything goes together well. Of course, it's plastic, but nice fit and finish. And then in here, this is really the key to the thing that you don't see, but this is typical in these Japanese coffee makers, is that the basket fits inside. And I guess it helps make the coffee better, brew better. I don't know what it does, but anyway, somehow it seems to make better tasting coffee. So it only fills up around halfway, somewhere around there. That's enough for 2 giant mugs of coffee, which is more than enough for me each day. Anyway, very happy with this. Japanese quality at a reasonable price.